Howdy Wall Street, Willie. What are credit and debit cards? Credit and debit cards are plastic or metal cards that can be used to make purchases in-store or online, pay bills, withdraw cash from ATMs, and more. They are issued by banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions. What's the main difference between the two? When you use a credit card, the card issuer pays the merchant on your behalf up to a certain amount, called the credit limit. At the end of each billing cycle, you get an account statement which lists all your transactions that month, along with the total amount you owe, which is called the card balance. If you pay your credit card balance in full every month, you're not charged any interest. However, if you carry a balance from month to month, you are charged very high interest on your balance. But when using a debit card, the money goes directly from your checking account to the merchant. There is no loan involved. Are there any other differences? Most credit cards come with lucrative rewards like cashback or miles. Some debit cards have started offering rewards, but they are not as good as credit card rewards. Credit cards also offer better fraud protection. If there is a fraudulent transaction or your card is stolen, you won't be charged for the purchases you didn't make. However, since your bank account is tied to a debit card, if the debit card is lost or stolen, the thief can drain your entire bank balance. Also, credit cards can help build your credit score based on your usage and payment history. Debit cards have no impact on your credit score. Lastly, while not ideal, credit cards do offer flexibility by allowing you to pay for an emergency and pay it off over time. However, the amount you can spend with a debit card is limited to your bank balance. Which one should I use? If you know you'll be responsible by not overspending and paying off your balance in full every month, then the ability to build good credit, rewards, and fraud protection make credit cards the better choice. However, if there's a good chance you'll end up overspending and will carry a balance, you should definitely avoid credit cards as they are one of the costliest forms of debt. In this case, it would be better to use a debit card as it's impossible to get into debt or spend more money than you have. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.